looking at it, I'm just like, I don't remember how it got this way, but as each truck keeps pulling in, it accumulates. We ended up with a wall, a wall of hoses.
I love seeing the wall. I mean, it took a couple of days for it to look like this, but you know, hard work. Me and my team were able to accomplish that.
We are in Placerville, California. This is one of the base camps for Caldor Fire. Here where we're standing, this is part of the supply unit where we lay up and roll the hose, and then we pack it back up so it could go right back to the fire line.
And they take about 30 minutes to unload, so it was just non-stop.
We separate like the damaged from the burnt, and the ones that have retardant.
We lay them down. Two guys will go ahead and grab either end, stretch them out, and then we go ahead and have the person in the end roll them.
We have 3 rollers going, so there's 3 people constantly on those rollers. They roll and then they stack them onto those pallets. We've probably rolled about 250 miles of hose.
The hoses are very critical for the firefighters to do their job, basically. Of course, we're going to need to work as fast as possible, but make sure that everything is done correctly.
The hard part was getting it organized, but we got it under control now. It looks actually much better.
I feel like I'm doing my part, and me and my team have been working real hard at this. It's very hard work, but somebody has to do it, and I'm glad I'm really contributing to helping resources out there on fire.
It feels really great to be able to say that I contributed to Caldor Fire. We rolled hoses in my time there, so it's a pretty good feeling. I love it.